Assalamu alaikum. Respected viewers, you are watching YouTube channel Evergreen Knowledge, and I am Dr. Abid Nawaz. I am talking about the diphthongs and articulation of diphthongal sounds, and according to this series, it's my second lecture, and I am focusing at the identification of problems of English learners in articulation of diphthongal sounds. So in this regard, here I am discussing the diphthongal problems which are very common in learners of English language, and the causes of diphthongal problems which are very common in learners of English language. I will also suggest some remedies for such activities. Respected viewers, the study of diphthongal problems would provide the guidelines to the English teachers to select and design their teaching material for teaching correct pronunciation to the learners of English whose mother tongue is either Urdu or Punjabi. Vowel and consonant sounds alternate very frequently in Urdu, since too many words in English language contain and even combine vowel sounds. Their articulation by Urdu speakers poses some inherent problems, which were intended to be explored during the present lecture. Respected viewers, it will also help English teachers to improve their own pronunciation. The improvement in the pronunciation of the teachers will further be helpful the learners of English language. A view to enabling the learner to pursue higher studies in foreign countries with minimum of language one interference. The scope and impact of this lecture will be very vast and far-reaching. The knowledge intended to be carried out on diphthongs is almost expected to yield tangible and interesting results as it lends impetus to the work already done in Indo-Pakistan continent and more so in Pakistan. For this reason, it was intended to explore this field with a view to focus and draw the attention of teachers and curriculum designers to design such courses that shall revamp the present syllabi on one hand and simultaneously provide guidance to the students, teachers, and for future researchers. Correct pronunciation has and will always remain a problem for non-native speakers. Respected viewers, through the present work, the focus shall remain on trying to find out different ways through which the utterance of diphthongal sounds becomes easier, while the present generation of learners would directly benefit from the imitate their English teacher. The future researchers might be able to explore new avenues in this field. The immediate benefit shall accrue to the curriculum designers who shall be unable to get the guidance from this work. In short, this initial work shall draw more researchers who might be impelled to explore further avenue in this apparently new and neglected field. Population of this work consisted Asian English learners, especially Pakistanis. My dear viewers, with this lecture, let me wind up my speech here. I hope that this video will be liked by you, and you will subscribe, share, and like my channel. So let me leave till the next video. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.